Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can fix FileZilla is not showing content. So first of all, let me go here in cPanel and now let me search for FTP. Then click on FTP accounts. So now I want to select a website. Let me scroll down and here you can see I have multiple websites, so I want to select this one 994. Then here I want to add password and this one is the username. So after that, let me scroll down and here we need to select public HTML. You can type public HTML, this one, select this one, then click on create FTP account. So now FTP account is created, and now after creating FTP account, let me scroll down and click on configure FTP client. Then I can copy this detail. So I want to copy this one. Then let me go and search for FileZilla. Now here I can add host. Then let me copy it. This one should be username. Then let me add here password. Then add port number. Then click on quick connect. And now here you can see it's working fine.